Good evening, everyone. This is Vrishali. In today's session, I am giving you some best books for university exam as well as GATE, NET, this kind of entrance exam. These books will be helpful for all the computer science, information technology, then artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science for all types of branch students. So let's start the session. In this channel, you will get a complete point-wise easy explanation, practical demo, and question bank of following subjects. Please like and share these videos with your friends and subscribe the channel so you will get the notification regarding my new upcoming videos. Now, see here. These are the some subject names and their required most important books. The first one is Discrete Mathematics. For academic purpose, you can use Discrete Mathematics and Applications by Susanna. But for your entrance exam purpose, you can use both books like Discrete Mathematics with Graph Theory by Iyer. Now next one is Logic Design and Digital Electronics. For that purpose, most important book is RP Jain, Modern Digital Electronics. The next one is Computer Organization. Computer organization is also one of the important subject for your entrance exam preparation. So you can use William Stallings Computer Organization and Architecture Designing for Performance. This is one of the best book for CO subject. Now next one is Data Structure and Algorithm. See, data structure is one of the most important subject for your academic, your entrance exam or interview preparation also. So for all this purpose, you can use these two books. The first one is Fundamentals of Data Structure in C++ by Sahani and Data Structure using C and C++ by Tannenbaum. You can use this book. Now next one is Object Oriented Programming. See, some branch student having the subject OOP using Java, then OOP using C++. So for any language purpose, you can use E. Balguru Swami book. There C, C++, Java, all kinds of books have available. So you can use this book. Now next one is Introduction to Object Oriented Programming by Addison Wesley. So you can use this two book for your preparation purpose. Now the next important subject is computer network. Computer network is also a most important subject for your entrance exam preparation as well as interview purpose. So you must follow this book, that is TCP/IP protocol suite by Forozone, and another book is Computer Network by Tannenbaum. Now, the processor architecture and microcontroller subject, this is one of the most important subject is electronic stream. So you can use Ramesh Gavkar Fundamentals of Microcontroller and Applications in Embedded System. Next one is maths. See, for maths subject there are lots of different books have available. You can use any book as per guided by your faculty. But there is a one book that is Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.V. Raman. You can use this book for solving more examples. Now next and most important subject is database management system. This is one of the most important subject for entrance exam, interview as well as university exam. So you can use Korth database system concept book. This book is one of the most important book with solve examples with pseudocode in SQL. Next one is computer graphics. For that purpose, you can use procedural elements of computer graphics by D. Roger book. Next one is software engineering. For that purpose, mostly you can prefer this book Pressman, like software engineering, a practitioner approach. And another book is software engineering by Addison Wesley. Next. The next important subject is theory of computation. Again, this subject is most important in your academic activities as well as entrance exam preparation. So you can use Addison Wesley Introduction to Automata Theory Language, or for basic preparation you can use TOC, that is Theory of Computation by Vivek Kulkarni. Next one is operating system. Operating system again most important subject in your field. So you can use William Stalling book by operating system. So this book, it can involve all the other important points with examples with diagrammatical view. Next one is machine learning. See, machine learning is a vast subject. There are different algorithms, topics are included. You can use different YouTube tutorials regarding this subject, but you can also refer these different books for learning purpose, like Introduction to Machine Learning by Itham, Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning by Bishop, and Machine Learning Simplified by Andrew Wolf. Next one is HCI, that is Human Computer Interaction subject. For that purpose, you can use Alan Dick's HCI book. The next one for interaction design, design principle purpose, you can use Donald Norman, The Design of Everyday Thing book. Next one is design analysis and algorithm, that is DA subject. So for that purpose also you can use same book like data structure as Sahani author. Next one is Internet of Things. Again, Internet of Things is vast subject, so every point not included in one book. But for beginner level, you can refer this book like Learning Internet of Things by Peter Weher. Next one is cyber security. So for computer security, cyber security, for all this purpose, you can use this book Computer Security by William Stalling. Now, again, artificial intelligence and cloud computing is one of the most important subject and vast subject. All points not included in one book, but you can refer this book for your study purpose like Artificial Intelligence Basics by Tom Tolley, then AI Modern Approach by Stott, Artificial Intelligence by Rich. Now for cloud computing for dummies by Bloor, then AWS by Bond, and Cloud Computing, a Practitioner Approach by Welte. So you can refer this book for study purpose. The next one is system programming. For system programming and operating system, this subject purpose you can use Dhamdere book. In this book, every problems have solved in most easiest way and simplest way. For distributed system, this subject purpose you can use distributed system by Tannenbaum. Next one is big data and data science. See, some students having the subject big data and data analytics, some students having the subject data science, and again big data and Hadoop. So this all kind of subject purpose you can use these two books for beginner level or intermediate level, like data science and big data by David and practitioner statistics for data scientist by Peter. Wireless communication, for this subject you can use these two books like Fundamentals of Wire Communication by Say and Wire Communication by Report. So in this book you can learn everything in detail with examples. The next book is Augmented Virtual Reality and Natural Language Processing. Again, this two subject is a vast subject, not every point included in one single book. So you can refer multiple book as per the algorithms. The Understanding Virtual Reality by William and Virtual Reality by Steven. You can refer these two books. And for NLP subject, you can use Natural Language Understanding by Allen and Natural Language Processing with Python by Expert. Next subject is BI, that is Business Analytics and Intelligence. For that purpose, you can use Sabravel's Business Intelligence book. Next one is software computing. So soft computing is also one of the vast subject. So for study purpose or for beginner level, you can refer this book like Soft Computing by Ville, Neural Network by Satish Kumar, and Fuzzy Logic by Ross. Next one is software testing. Software testing again important subject for your career purpose. For that purpose, you can use software testing by Perry and Foundation of Software Testing by Aditya Mathur. Next one is blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is also a vast subject, not every point included in one book. So you can refer different YouTube videos, tutorials regarding this subject, but for basic purpose, beginner purpose, you can refer this book like Blockchain Technology by Kumar Saurav and Beginning Blockchain by Gautam Dhameja. Now, the next subject is compiler. For that purpose, one of the most important book is Compiler Principles, Technique and Tool by Aho. So this book is one of the important for your entrance exam preparation. Next one is High Performance and Parallel Computing. For that purpose, you can refer Introduction to Parallel Computing by Addison Wesley. Next one is Deep Learning. Again, Deep Learning is a vast subject. So for study purpose, you can use Deep Learning from Scratch by SET, Neural Network and Deep Learning by Nelson, Hands-on Deep Learning Algorithm with Python by Sudarshan. And for image processing, some students having the subject DIP, that is Digital Image Processing. So for that purpose, you can use Digital Image Processing by Richard Foots. So these all books will be helpful for your academic activities, university exam as well as entrance exam purpose. Now for programming languages, I have already uploaded one video last session to how to learn programming languages, how to learn coding free. So most you can refer this particular websites, but here some books you can use these books for examples purpose, for practicing purpose. C programming purpose for beginner level you can use this book like Let Us See by Yashwant Kanetkar, and another book is The Complete Reference. C++ programming purpose, you can use the C++ programming by Bhajan Stostrup. So this is one of the most important book for solving examples, for clearing concepts, for everything. Like Java purpose, you can use complete reference, and for beginner level you can use E Balguru Swami book. This is one of the best book for Java. Next one is Python. So for Python purpose, there are multiple books and tutorials have available, but for beginner level you can use this book like Core Python Programming by Dr. Rao. And for web development language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, for all this purpose you can use different book of publications by Pearson Education and complete reference. There is a HTML complete reference, CSS complete reference. So you can refer this book for practicing purpose. So these all books will be necessary for your career growth as well as entrance exam preparation and university exam. All the best. Thank you.